Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great for this Cast Iron Wednesday for this week. We are going to make a quick and dirty pigs in a blanket. I'm going to be using my old BSR Dry Fry griddle. This is simple, super easy to do. It takes about 20 minutes at the max to get everything done. The longest thing is going to be cutting up the jalapeno. So we'll get through this. I'll take and get everything ready, and we'll show you how it's done. Alright guys, I got the jalapenos cut up, got the sausages out of the pack. Got this here. We're going to pop that open. And it's fairly easy from here. Let me pull one of the biscuits out and we'll show you. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take one of the biscuits and you basically pull it in half so that you have the two little pieces. And then you put your sausage right in the middle. And these two are going to be on my end. So I'm going to take a little piece of jalapeno and another little piece of jalapeno. And then all you do is you just wrap it up. And then you put them on there. And then we're going to bake them at 350 for, I think, right at 18 minutes. And I'll get these done real quick and we'll see what they look like. Hey, I want to show this real quick. I also added some cheese. I took and cut the cheese into strips. And then I break them in half so I can put them in here just to keep the amount of cheese from coming out on the griddle. So this is something I forgot to add, so here we go. Alright guys, we're ready to go in the oven. I've got some with the jalapenos, I've got some without the jalapenos, and then I had 4 extra biscuits left. So what I did is I put cheese and then chicken strips that we had left over from last night. So, you can basically put anything in these that you want to. So we're about to toss them in the oven. We're going to put them in for 16 minutes because that's what the package says, but it'll probably take a couple extra minutes to cook it all the way through. Alright, so here they are. They're out of the oven. I had some of them kind of split apart. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. This one, a few of them decided to pop open, but hey, we got some that look like little biscuit tacos instead of your regular little pigs in a blanket. But hey, that's okay. It'll still taste good. Well, I hope everybody has a great week. And like always, we do these on Wednesdays. There's different people all over the internet that make these videos. So if you do a search for Cast Iron Wednesday, you'll find all kinds of stuff out there. But all I can say now is, hey, we'll see you next Wednesday. And y'all take care.